Hi, this is Thea, and today I'm going to show you how to build a marketing funnel using the CrmOne website. A marketing funnel helps team members of an organization to build stages of a journey of converting a prospective client. A lot of changes may involve here depending on the customer segment, strategy of attracting and converting customer changes. To build a funnel, you need to go to Marketing and select Funnels from the drop-down menu. And after clicking, you will see a new window where all the funnels are listed down with status and basic information about the funnel. To build a new funnel, you can click this blue button for Build a New Funnel, and after clicking, you need to select the type of funnel you wanted to create. You can select the type of funnel below according to your requirement. Once you select your desired funnel, let's say we will choose the sales, you will see here all the templates you can use to create a sales funnel. If we select this template, you will see what the template will look like. And if you wanted to use this funnel or this template, you can click this Get the Funnel button. And after clicking, you will see that this is now added on your funnel list. So we need to click the funnel that we chose. And you will see that the template and the list of the steps on the left panel. To add a new step, you can click this button for Add New Step, and a pop-up will appear where you can add the name of the step, the path, and other data. And once you're done, you can click Create Step down below. But if you don't want it to add the step and rather edit the template, you can click on any of the funnels, and while clicking the funnel step, you will see the preview of the page. If you wanted to edit the name of the funnel, you can click this edit icon to update. If you wanted to edit the page, you can click this Edit Page button and a new window will appear. So in here, you can do all the creative work by changing the details or adding new sections, making the page compatible either with a phone or a desktop, changing the font style, and other creative stuff. The menu bar contains certain important icons for some actions to be conducted easily. First is the Back button, which helps you to go back to the previous window. The Add icon opens up a drop-down to add a section, a row, a column, and components to the template page, and in every option a new selection will appear, which is to add and manage. The next menu button are the Undo and Redo. This will help you remove the action and going back to the current action. These icons for desktop and mobile is where you can see the change of the compatibility of the design and format to make sure that the resulting page would be used easily on those devices. Next is the Setting menu. The Setting menu will open a drop-down for the customizing CSS, the background, and typography. The Preview icon in here is where you can see the way in which the design page will look like to everyone, and the Save button to save the changes you have made. So now, we will go through making the components. So let's go to Components. Let's add a component. And in here, the components are divided into various categories, like section layouts, column, text component, media, widget, action, order, and miscellaneous. Each category, when clicked, shows a drop-down, as you can see, where options are related to each component. So you can select any category and select your desired option. Under the pre-designed sections, you will see the sections for pre-designed elements like heading, image, icon, newsletter, box, and etc. for any kind of web page. You can select according to your need, and after selecting, you will be prompted to the editing process. Now, let's go to the component. Since you're working on a ready-made template, the page is already designed in a certain way wherein a lot of components are available. To edit the given component, you just need to place the cursor on it, and a few tabs will appear. The component is highlighted with a red box, just like this one, and there are options for settings, duplicate, delete, and the arrows to move the component up and down. So the setting icon is to edit the component based on your desired setup. So a pop-up will appear here at the left side. These are the basic settings like changing the image and removing it, and the settings for image property. On the advanced setting, you will see other settings like radius, border, shadow, opacity, and the grayscale effects. Next is the column. While moving the cursor across the page, another highlighted color of the box is blue. When you press the settings, a sidebar will open that you can update, for example, adding a new image, the size and position of the column, the margin, and the padding. You can also update the colors if you wanted. You will also have the advanced setting, which corresponds to the change of the output of the column. And then you can click this duplicate icon if you wanted to duplicate this column, and delete if you wanted. You can also press the sideways arrow if you wanted to move the column sideways, and if you wanted to add a new column, you can click this plus sign button. Next is adding a section. A green highlight box will appear if you move your cursor across the page, just like this one. If we click the settings icon, you can update here the image on the background, the size, and the padding, and there is also an advanced setting in here. You can also duplicate this highlighted section and delete this section by clicking this delete icon. The save icon if you wanted to save the section as a template, and the arrows to move the section up and down. And once you're done, you can click the save button at the upper right corner of the menu. You can also click the preview to see how the design will look like. So let's say we will click the preview, and you will see here the preview of your design. And that is how you make a funnel using the CrmOne website. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.